say also in Arabic little, it's fakhr for us like كخليج, كGulf, and for Arab is really big thing, big fakhr for us, like they make here in Dubai. And what to say, yani, mashallah, God inshallah bless, and Allah inshallah bless Emarat inshallah. For all the people here, especially who people come to the malls, you can visit CBBC because they have a new collection, very good brand, and very good, like, discounts here also. Too much discount. You can just, guys, come here and buy, and I think inshallah you will love it.
Thank you.
Would like to come today, but it was very short notice. We were shocked at what you have done for us. Thank you.
Yesterday, when Miss Nancy got Mr. Mohammed Sharaf here, who came and visited our shop or CBBC event yesterday. So thank you for this very good collaboration.
Yes, thanks. Thank you very much. Thank you.
In UAE, its festival time, Expo 2020 has started. Billions of guests and visitors are expected to visit UAE. At this golden moment, grand opening held in Dubai wide known CBBC Express. CBBC Express was graced by Mubarak Rashid Al Azmi, ribbon cutting held by special chief guest Thanin Abdul Amri, Nancy its 9th Times Square Center, Dubai, Mr. Pardeep Mangani, Ali Al Khalsan, Director Sexual Shoulder Management, that joined specially for opening ceremony. Vijay Samiani, founder and chairman, Concept Brands Group, thanks to all. Bilal Ahmed, general manager, Concept Brands Group, making it a star-studded opening.
From 1st October onwards, because Expo started, and we wanted to do something for Expo because we are expecting a lot of crowd and tourists in Dubai. So we thought, why don't we do CBBC for 6 months? So that's what we planned, and then we did this event. Usually we are doing Internet Center for 5 days or 6 days or 7 days, once in a month or twice in a month. But we thought that Expo is going to last for 6 months, so let's have CBBC also last for 6 months. So aligned with Expo, we are doing this discount for all the tourists and the people who are visiting Dubai or UAE. Come and shop around and save something for themselves. This is the plan. This is the good message for all the customers or people who are visiting the malls.
Thank you.